In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove conversation threads in Outlook. If you've ever found yourself lost in a sea of email threads and wished for a simpler layout, this tutorial is for you. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you need to open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by typing Microsoft Outlook into your search bar or by simply clicking on the Outlook icon if it's already saved on your desktop. Once Outlook is open, glance over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and give that a click. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and do that, making sure you're using the correct credentials for the account you want to adjust. It's always a good idea to double check your email and password to avoid any sign in issues. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner once more to find the settings gear icon. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu that holds various settings for your Outlook account. This is where we can customize how your emails are displayed. Now, from the drop-down menu, look for the option to view emails individually. This might be labeled under something like Show Email as Individual Messages. Selecting this will adjust your settings so that emails are no longer grouped into conversation threads, making viewing and organizing your inbox a bit clearer. After making this adjustment, don't forget one crucial step. Click on Save. This ensures that your preferences are locked in and your emails will now appear as individual messages instead of being grouped into threads. It's a small setting change but can significantly impact your email management, especially if you deal with a high volume of messages every day. And there you have it, you've successfully removed conversation threads from your Outlook email account. Whether you're navigating work emails or personal correspondence, having your emails listed individually can sometimes make all the difference in efficiently managing your inbox. Though it might seem like a small feature, using individual email view helps you stay organized and keep track of every single message without losing context or missing important updates buried in threads. It's certainly a helpful trick for improving productivity and ensuring you never miss an important email. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to remove conversation threads in Outlook. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to change this setting back if conversation threads work better for you in certain scenarios. Keep exploring Outlook for more customization options that suit your workflow best.